of exercise 10.3. Find the angle between two vectors a bar and b bar with the magnitudes modulus of a bar. Modulus of a bar is root 3. Modulus of b bar is equal to 2. A bar dot b bar equal to root 6. Angle between two vectors cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar mod b bar. Okay, that's equal to a dot b is equal to root 6. Root 6 divided by modulus of a bar is root of 3. Modulus of a bar is root 3 into modulus of b bar is equal to 2. It is equal to root 6 is root 2 into root 3 divided by root 3 into this 2 is root 2 into root 2. So root 3 cancel, root 2 cancel, 1 by root of 2. Cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2, theta is equal to pi by 4. Okay. Now the second one, find the angle between the vectors a bar equal to I minus 2j plus 3k, b bar equal to 3i minus 2j plus k. A bar dot b bar equal to 1 into 3 plus minus 2 into minus 2 plus 3 into 1, that is 3 plus 4 plus 3, that is equal to 10. Now modulus of a bar is equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 9, root of 14. Modulus of b bar is equal to root of 9 plus 4 plus 1, root of 14. Okay. Now cos theta is equal to a dot b divided by a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar mod b bar. Now substitute the values. A bar dot b bar is equal to 10. A bar dot b bar is equal to 10. So 10 divided by root 14 into root 14, that is 10 by 14, 5 by 7, or theta is equal to cos inverse 5 by 7. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the projection of I minus j on the vector I plus j. Let a bar equal to I minus j, b bar equal to I plus j. Okay. A bar dot b bar is equal to 1 into 1 plus minus 1 into 1, that is 1 minus 1, 0. Mod b bar equal to root of 1 plus 1, root 2. Projection of a bar on b bar. Projection of a bar on b bar is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by mod b bar, that is 0 divided by root 2, which is equal to 0. Now see the fourth one. Find the projection of the vector. Projection of a bar equal to, let a bar equal to I plus 3j plus 7k, b bar equal to 7i minus j plus 8k, a bar dot b bar equal to 1 into 7 plus 3 into minus 1 plus 7 into 8, 7 minus 3 plus 56, that's equal to 60. Okay. Now mod b bar equal to root of 49 plus 1 plus 64, is root of 114. Projection of a bar on b bar. Projection of a bar on b bar equal to a bar dot b bar divided by mod b bar, that is 60 divided by root of 114. Okay. Now the fifth problem, show that each of the three vectors given by show that each of the given three vectors is a unit vector. Also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. Okay, so first let a bar equal to, first vector, let a bar equal to 1 by 7 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k. Okay, modulus of a bar equal to 1 by 7 root of 4 plus 9 plus 36, that is 1 by 7 into root of 49. So cancel, modulus of a bar is equal to 1. Now b bar equal to 1 by 7 into 3i minus 6j plus 2k. Modulus of b bar equal to 1 by 7 into root of 9 plus 36 plus 4, that is 1 by 7 into root of 49, which is also 1. C bar equal to 1 by 7 into 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Modulus of C bar equal to 1 by 7 root of 36 plus 4 plus 9, 1 by 7 into root of 49, which is 1. So mod C bar is equal. So therefore A bar, B bar, C bar are unit vectors. Okay, so first part is over. Now also show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. A bar dot B bar. A bar dot B bar is equal to, A bar is 1 by 7 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k dot 1 by 7 into 3i minus 6j plus 2k. Okay, so 1 by 49 into 3 to 6 minus 18 plus 12. So that is equal to 0. Therefore, A bar perpendicular B bar. Now, what is B dot C? B bar dot C bar equal to, B bar dot C bar equal to 1 by 7 into 3i minus 6j plus 2k dot 1 by 7 into 6i plus 2j minus 3k. Okay, 1 by 49 into 18 minus 12 minus 6, which is also 0. Therefore, B bar perpendicular C bar. Now A dot C. A bar dot C bar equal to 1 by 7 into 2i plus 3j plus 6k dot 1 by 7 into A dot C 6i plus 2j minus 3k. That's equal to 1 by 49 into 12 plus 6 minus 18, which is also 0. Therefore, A bar perpendicular C bar. Okay. Now question number 6. Find A bar and B bar if A plus B dot A minus B is equal to 8. Okay. And A bar is equal to 8 B bar. A bar plus B bar dot A bar minus B bar is equal to 8, which is mod A square minus mod B square is equal to 8. That is mod A is 8 mod B. So mod A is replaced by 8 mod B the whole square minus mod B square is equal to 8. That is 64 mod B square minus mod B square is equal to 8. 63 mod B square equal to 8, or mod B square equal to 8 divided by 63. Okay. Therefore, mod B is equal to, modulus of B bar is equal to root of 8 by 63. Okay. And A bar equal to 8 mod B bar, that is 8 into root of 8 by 63. Okay. Now seventh one, evaluate 3a minus 5b dot 2a plus 7b. 3a bar minus 5b bar dot 2a bar plus 7b bar, which is equal to, first is 3a into 2a, 6a bar dot a bar, plus 3 into 7, 21a bar dot b bar. Next, minus 10b bar dot a bar. Next is minus 35b bar dot b bar, which is 6 mod a square plus 21a bar dot b bar minus 10 b dot a is a dot b minus 35 mod b square, that is 6 mod a square plus 11 a bar dot b bar minus 35 mod b square. Okay, now question number 8. Find the magnitude of two vectors a bar and b bar having the same magnitude and such that the angle between them is 60 degree and their scalar product is 1 by 2. Find the magnitude of a bar and b having the same magnitude. Modulus of a bar is equal to modulus of b bar, first condition, and the angle between them is 60 degree. Theta is equal to 60 degree. So cos theta is equal to a bar dot b bar divided by mod a bar into mod b bar. That cos 60 is equal to a bar dot b bar and their scalar product a bar dot b bar is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 divided by mod a into mod a. Mod b is also mod a. 1 by 2 divided by mod a into mod a. Okay. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 divided by mod a square. 1 by 2 cancelled. Mod a square is equal to 1. So mod a is equal to 1. Okay. Therefore, modulus of b is also 1. Now question number 9. For a unit vector a bar, x bar dot a bar, x bar minus a bar dot x bar plus a bar is equal to 12. Mod x bar square minus mod a bar square is equal to 12. Since a bar is a unit vector, mod x bar square minus 1 square is equal to 12. Mod x bar square is equal to 13. Modulus of x bar is equal to root of 13. Okay. Now question number 10. If a bar, b bar, c bar are given such that a bar plus lambda b bar is perpendicular to c bar. A bar is given 2i plus 2j plus 3k. B bar is equal to minus I plus 2j plus k and c bar equal to 3i plus j. A bar plus lambda b bar perpendicular to c bar, that is a bar plus lambda b bar dot c bar equal to 0, that is a dot c plus lambda into b dot c equal to 0, or lambda into b dot c is equal to minus a dot c, or lambda is equal to minus a bar dot c bar divided by b bar dot c bar. That's equal to minus, what is a dot c? A dot c is 2 into 3. 2 into 3 plus 2 into coefficient of j is 1 plus 3 into 0 divided by b dot c minus 1 into 3 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 0, that is minus of 6 plus 2 divided by minus 3 plus 2, minus 8 by minus 1, that is minus 8 by minus 1, minus 8 by minus 1 is 8. So lambda is equal to 8. Now 11. Show that show that modulus of a bar into b bar plus mod b bar into a bar is perpendicular to so we have to find the dot product. Modulus of a bar into b bar plus mod b bar into a bar dot mod a bar into b bar minus mod b bar into a bar, which is equal to, see, first one into this one, mod a square into b dot b, mod a square into b dot b, then next is minus mod a mod b into b dot a here, plus mod b mod a into a dot b, then last one minus mod b into a dot a. Okay, that's equal to, this is mod a square into mod b square, this is minus mod a mod b, b dot a is a dot b, here it is mod a mod b into a dot b minus mod b square into mod a square, this is cancelled. Mod a square minus mod a square mod b square, this is also cancelled. Mod a square mod b square minus mod a square mod b square, so that is 0. Therefore vectors are perpendicular. Therefore mod a bar b bar plus mod b bar into a bar is perpendicular to mod a bar into b bar minus mod b bar into a bar. Okay. Now 12th one. If a dot a equal to 0 and a dot b is equal to 0, then what can be concluded about the vector b bar? See, a bar dot a bar equal to 0 implies that a bar is a 0 vector. Okay, 0 vector. Since a bar is equal to 0, since a bar equal to 0, 0 means 0 vector, comma, the second condition, a bar dot b bar equal to 0 for any vector b bar, that is b bar can be any vector, b bar can be any vector. Okay, now question number 13. If a bar b bar c bar are unit vectors such that mod a plus b plus c is equal to 0 bar. See, a bar b bar c bar are mod a bar equal to 1, mod b bar equal to 1, mod c bar equal to 1 unit vectors. Now a bar plus b bar plus c bar equal to 0 bar, that is given. So its modulus a plus b plus c is equal to modulus of 0 bar, that is modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar is equal to modulus of 0 vector is 0. Now squaring modulus of a bar plus b bar plus c bar, the whole square is equal to 0. Now expanding, mod a square plus mod b square plus mod c square plus 2a dot b plus 2b dot c plus 2c dot a equal to 0. This is unit vector, so 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, 2 can be taken outside, a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to 0. That is 3 plus 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to 0, or 2 into a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to minus 3. Therefore a dot b plus b dot c plus c dot a equal to minus 3 divided by 2. Okay. Now question number 14. If either vector a bar equal to 0 or b bar equal to 0, then a dot b equal to 0. But the converse need not be true. Justify your answer with an example. Okay. See, a dot b, either a bar equal to 0 or b bar equal to 0, then a dot b equal to 0. But the converse need not be true. See, that is, if a dot b is equal to 0, a dot b is equal to 0, then it is not necessary that either a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. Matrix theory നമ്മൾ പറയുന്ന ഒരു കാര്യമാണ്. A dot b 0 ആണ്. A dot b 0 ആണെങ്കിൽ a dot b the value mod a mod b cos theta 0 ആണെന്നാണ്. Okay, that is cos theta is equal to 0, which implies theta is equal to 90 degree. That is a bar, which implies a bar perpendicular b bar. Okay, so consider the example. A bar is equal to I plus j and b bar equal to I minus j. What is a dot b? A bar dot b bar is equal to 1 minus 1, that's equal to 0. So this a bar is a non-zero vector and b bar is also a non-zero vector, then the product, that is the dot product, can be 0. Thus two non-zero vectors a bar and b bar may have a dot b 0. Thus two non-zero vectors a bar and b bar, രണ്ട് non-zero vector a bar and b bar എടുത്താലും it may have a dot b 0, may have a bar dot b bar is equal to 0. Okay. Now question number 15. If the vertices of a triangle are given, triangle R, so vector OA is equal to I plus 2j plus 3k, vector OB is equal to minus I, vector OB is equal to minus I, vector OC is equal to 0I plus j plus 2k. This is minus I plus 0j plus 0k. Okay. Then find the angle between, the angle ABC. Angle ABC. See, triangle ABC. See this angle ABC. This ABC is the angle between BC and BA. So we have to find the vectors BC and BA. Vector BC is equal to OC minus OB. Okay. Now OC minus OB is 0I minus I, j minus 2j is minus j, 2k minus 3k is minus k. BC is minus I, OC minus OB, OC minus OB, 0 minus I plus j plus 2k, I plus j plus 2k, BC. Then BA, vector BA is equal to OA minus OB. Okay, OA minus OB is I minus I, 2I, 2j minus 0j plus 2j plus 3k. Okay. Now cos of angle ABC. Cos of angle ABC is equal to BC dot BA divided by modulus of vector BC into modulus of vector BA. What is modulus of vector BC? Is equal to root of 1 plus 1 plus 4, root 6. Modulus of vector BA is equal to root of 4 plus 4 plus 9, root of 15. Okay, root of 17, not 15, root of 17. Root of 17. So that's equal to BC dot BA. BC dot BA is 1 into 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 divided by root 6 into root of 17. So 6 plus 2 plus 2. 6 plus 2 plus 2. 10 divided by root of 102. Or angle ABC is equal to cos inverse of 10 divided by root of 102. Okay. Now question number 16. Show that the points are collinear. Points are collinear. OA. Vector OA is equal to I plus 2j plus 7k. Vector OB is equal to 2i plus 6j plus 3k. Vector OC is equal to 3i plus 10j minus k. Now vector AB equal to OB minus OA, that is OB minus OA, I plus 4j minus 4k. Now vector AC is OC minus OA, OC minus OA, 3i minus I, 2i, 10 minus 2 plus 8j minus 8k. So 2 can be taken outside. I plus 4j minus 4k, that is 2 into vector AB. That is vector AC is equal to 2 into vector AB. Therefore AB or vector AC parallel vector AB, and A is the common point and A is common. A is the common point. Therefore A, B, C are collinear. Okay. Now 17. Show that the vectors form the vertices of a right triangle. Okay. So since these points are the position vectors of the vertices, let it be OA. Let OA is equal to 2i minus j plus k. OB equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. OC is equal to 3i minus 4j minus 4k. Now vector AB equal to OB minus OA, that's equal to minus I minus 2i minus 3j minus j minus 2j minus 6k. Modulus of vector AB equal to root of 1 plus 4 plus 36, root of 41. Okay. Now see, here we can apply the dot product, not by distance formula, we can apply the dot product. Okay. OB minus vector AB minus 2j minus 6k, vector AB. Now vector BC is equal to, what is vector BC? OC minus OB, that's equal to 2i minus j plus k. Now vector CA Vector CA is OA minus OC, that's equal to minus I plus 3j plus 5k. Now sum of these three vectors AB plus BC plus CA is 0 vector. Okay, therefore these are the vertices of triangle. Therefore A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Now to show that any two vectors are perpendicular, we have to show that any two vectors are perpendicular. What is the dot product of BC and CA? BC dot CA is equal to 2 into minus 1 plus minus 1 into 3 plus 1 into 5 minus 2 minus 3 plus 5, that is 0. Therefore angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Therefore triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. Okay. Now 18. It is 18. If A bar is a non-zero vector of magnitude A and lambda non-zero scalar, then lambda A is a unit vector. Lambda A is a unit vector. Lambda A bar is a unit vector implies modulus of this lambda A bar is equal to 1. Okay, that is modulus of lambda into modulus of A bar is equal to 1. Modulus of lambda into modulus of A bar, that is given that A bar is a non-zero vector of magnitude small letter a. Small letter a is equal to 1. Okay, so the small letter a is equal to 1 by modulus of lambda. Okay,